Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some of my favorite hairstyles that I've been wearing lately. Reason why some of these are my favorite hairstyles are because one, they're trending. They've been trending for like the last couple years, I believe. So, and you've probably seen some of these like on Pinterest or on some of the girls on TikTok as well. Another reason is because a lot of these hairstyles do go with most of my wardrobe, whether it's casual or dressy. So hopefully they go with yours too. But yeah, so as you can see, I do wear braids. I wear braids a lot. You can achieve some of these popular hairstyles with braids if you weren't already aware. I have about, I want to say maybe 40 to 45 braids, and they're on the thinner side. You can also achieve this with like this medium, like small medium braids too, but at that point you don't want to go over like 40 braids. So yeah, and that's so it's like not heavy if you have to put in a high ponytail or a top knot bun, and then it's also not too thick, so if you want to put any like clips or anything in your hair, it's not too much hair, and it can definitely be achieved. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the first hairstyle. So this one, I try not to go too low since it will be like a big bun here. But I don't want to have it too up personally because, I don't know, I think it looks a little weird if it's a big bun and it's just like in the middle of my head. Now I'm going to add this really big scrunchie, and it's cheetah print, which is also like a trending pattern again, isn't it always? And there you go. So yeah, that would be my first. This is actually my favorite out of all the ones I'm going to do today. This is my favorite go-to hairstyle right now. It literally goes with everything, whether it's a dressy outfit or if it's a casual outfit and you want to add like a little pizzazz for your hair. Literally perfect, and it's super easy. Takes like less than a minute to do. Goes with everything. You can have like a variety of different color or pattern scrunchies to mix up like colors or patterns in your entire outfit. So yeah, this is my favorite. There you go. Super easy, super cute. And I'll link a few big scrunchies in the description box as well. But you can get a bunch of them on like Amazon or Shein or really anywhere. Just type in like big scrunchies. You'll find some scrunchies like just as big as this one that are perfect in a bunch of different colors and designs and everything. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the next hairstyle. I'm going to do another ponytail, but this time it's just going to be a little bit higher. Not too high unless that's where you want it. And then we're going to braid that ponytail into like a braided ponytail. And now I'm going to add this popular flower clip that's been trending all year. And just add it to the end here. I'm going to have it grip a little bit of the hair though, just so like it doesn't just slide out at the bottom. But yeah. And so you can see what the back looks like here. Very cute, very simple, still hair pulled back and kind of sleek, but yeah, have a cute little flower clip to add a little decoration to the end. Moving on to the next hairstyle. So you see how I'm like kind of pulling out like the braids at the top of my head, and I left it like really loose at the top. Like I didn't braid it like tightly or anything like that. I just kind of braided more towards the middle, all the way down to the end, and I kind of like lift the top out. It's supposed to be like that Island Girl inspired kind of braid where it's like really loose, really casual and stuff. Now we're gonna bring back our go-to hair clip. Actually, we have a smaller one here, and we're just gonna put it at the end, kind of like last time, the end of our ponytail. Make sure it has a good grip so it doesn't just like fall out. And yeah, that's another simple, very easy, very quick go-to hairstyle. Again, goes with like casual wardrobe or dressed up wardrobe, I think. Especially for the summertime, if you're doing like that Island Girl inspired wardrobe, like with the dresses and everything like that, this is definitely a good way of diving into that with this hairstyle too. Okay, so we're gonna get into the next hairstyle here. Now we're going to add our two famous clips onto the half bun. Really helps if the clips are big. I believe these are like 8 centimeters. And if you don't want to do 2 clips, or you don't have 2 clips and you want to jazz up like just doing like 1 clip, that's fine. I've also been doing this 1 clip version of it too. You do want to make the bun appear a little bit smaller since we're just doing the 1 clip. And now I'm going to add these 2 hair chopsticks as well at the top of my bun. And there you can add like a different type of pizzazz as well with a flower hair clip and then a couple of hair chopsticks at the top as well. And I haven't seen too many people do this, so this adds a little bit of uniqueness, I guess. And yeah, those are all of my favorite go-to hairstyles right now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you found a lot of inspo for your easy go-to hairstyles. Thanks for watching. Bye.